The Industrial Revolution, a turning point in history. The Industrial Revolution was one of the most transformative periods in human history. Beginning in the late 18th century and continuing into the 19th century, it reshaped economies, societies, and the very way people lived and worked. It marked the transition from agrarian societies to industrialized urban centers, bringing about groundbreaking technological advancements, increased production, and major social changes. In this video, we will explore the origins, key innovations, societal impacts, and lasting legacy of the Industrial Revolution. Chapter 1. The Origins of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution began in Britain in the mid to late 18th century. But why there? Several factors contributed. Agricultural revolution. Advances in farming methods, such as crop rotation and selective breeding, led to increased food production, freeing up labor for industrial jobs. Natural resources. Britain was rich in coal and iron, essential for powering machinery and building infrastructure. Political and economic stability. Unlike many European nations, Britain had a stable government and a growing capitalist economy. Advancements in banking and investment. A strong banking system provided the capital needed for industrial expansion. A growing population. As food supplies increased, so did the population, leading to more workers and consumers. Chapter 2. Major inventions and innovations. The Industrial Revolution saw incredible technological advancements, some of which changed the world forever. Textile industry revolution. Inventions like the spinning jenny, water frame, and power loom revolutionized cloth production, making it faster and cheaper. Steam power. James Watt's improvements to the steam engine led to its widespread use in factories, transportation, and mining. Iron and steel production. Henry Bessemer's process for producing steel made it stronger and cheaper, leading to the construction of railways, bridges, and buildings. Transportation revolution. The development of steam-powered locomotives and ships enabled faster trade and travel, connecting cities and boosting economies. Communication advances. The invention of the telegraph by Samuel Morse allowed for instant long-distance communication, changing the way businesses and governments operated. Chapter 3. The rise of factories and urbanization. With new machines and steam power, factories became the center of production, leading to the growth of industrial cities like Manchester, Birmingham, and Liverpool. Their work shifts from homes to factories. Before industrialization, most goods were produced in small workshops or homes. Factories centralized production, increasing efficiency but also leading to harsh working conditions. The growth of industrial cities. As factories opened, thousands of workers moved to urban areas, leading to overcrowded and unsanitary living conditions. The working class emerges. A new social class emerged, the industrial working class, who often worked long hours in dangerous environments for low wages. Chapter 4. The dark side, child labor and poor working conditions. While the Industrial Revolution brought prosperity, it also had severe consequences. Child labor. Children as young as 5 worked in factories, mines, and textile mills for little pay under hazardous conditions, unsafe work environments. Factory workers faced dangerous machinery, long hours, and exposure to harmful chemicals. Poor living conditions. Overcrowding in urban areas led to the spread of diseases such as cholera and tuberculosis. Exploitation of workers. Labor laws were nearly non-existent, and factory owners prioritized profit over worker safety. Chapter 5. Social and economic impact. The Industrial Revolution not only changed industries, but also reshaped society. The rise of the middle class. Business owners, merchants, and skilled workers benefited from industrialization, leading to an expanding middle class, education, and reforms. Over time, the need for an educated workforce led to improvements in public education and the gradual introduction of labor laws. Women in the workforce. Many women entered the workforce in textile factories, marking the beginning of their struggle for economic independence and workers' rights. Trade unions and workers' rights movements. As industrial workers sought better conditions, they began forming trade unions, leading to labor reforms such as reduced working hours and safer workplaces. Chapter 6. Global Effects and Industrialization Beyond Britain. The Industrial Revolution quickly spread beyond Britain to Europe, the United States, and eventually the rest of the world. Industrialization in America. The United States experienced rapid industrial growth, leading to innovations such as the assembly line and mass production techniques. Expansion into Europe. Countries like Germany and France industrialized at different paces, each contributing new advancements in engineering and chemistry. Impact on colonies. Industrialized nations exploited their colonies for raw materials and markets, leading to economic dependence and social upheaval in many regions. The Second Industrial Revolution. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, further advancements in electricity, chemicals, and mass production techniques fueled another wave of industrial growth. Chapter 7. The Legacy of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution set the stage for the modern world. Technological innovation. Many of the technologies we rely on today, transportation, communication, and manufacturing, stem from Industrial Revolution-era advancements. Economic growth and capitalism. The revolution laid the foundation for modern economies, shaping capitalism and global trade. Environmental impact. Industrialization led to pollution and deforestation, raising concerns about sustainability and climate change. Social changes. The shift from rural to urban life continues to shape societies worldwide, influencing everything from labor laws to gender roles. Conclusion. The Industrial Revolution was a period of unparalleled transformation. While it brought incredible progress, it also came with social and economic challenges. Its legacy can still be felt today as we navigate the consequences of industrialization in our modern world. By understanding its history, we can learn valuable lessons about technological progress, labor rights, and sustainable development. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Industrial Revolution, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on what historical topic you'd like us to explore next.